Okay, this is my rice. Right? Cucumber and tomato. And I put garlic, pepper, and salt, and lime. And here's my main food. Right? My main food, I'm gonna flip it. I fry it in butter. Well, I did not put anything. Salt, black pepper, and that's it. And paprika. This is what's important, the fat. That's where you get your energy. Yeah. Let's eat. Let's eat. And my rice. That's my rice. I'm cooking veggie. Beans and bean sprout. And mushroom. With meat. I put the garlic, I put the tomato, the onion already. Before I put the, what is this? The beans. Before I put the beans, first we're gonna cook the tomato well, and then I'm gonna put this and this mushroom and little beans. It's very good. Yes, only salt and pepper. Very good. Not yet. I'm gonna make it. I put the, what is this? Mushroom. Mushroom, right? No, I didn't put water, you see? No. I'm cooking it to its own juice. Then the last one is that. Bean sprout. Okay. Now I put these. I already did the mushroom. I'm gonna put that. Okay. Ayan yung kilwala na. Ne? Kasi, mga wangguli. Yan kano, keto friendly yan, ano yan. Ila macarb. Pero yung balatong macarb yan. Yan, keto friendly yan. Makain. Now, I put soup. I put water because I like soup a little bit. Yeah. Yan na, yung kanan ko. Makakabsi yan. Sumanya niya ang kanan ko. Kita kayang gumiyak. Nagluto kong steak. Kasi tagan na yan eh. Tagan eh. Atimpa ka rin, no? Kailangan mag-isa niyan. Yung kanan ko ngayon. Basta ako mamangan baro mo, no? Basta ako mamangan mayo mo, mangilag kuking mayo mo. Yung pisit-itang tabayan. Paluto. Yan na, yung steak. Parentagan. Puta ka na nun, Rix din. May itong yayagyo kong kanan. Mga na ako. Montana. Dinyang kiyang asin ang polain. Alamunding. Pongasin. Papaminta. Yummy na.
Ayan na, mga pamadso. Danyanan eh. Kapadalanan eh. Kapilan to na nakadwa.
Breakfast ko. My breakfast. And my leftover last night. Steak. Steak and 3-egg breakfast. Today, yan yung breakfast ko. Mag-laundry ko. Forever ko, dulok lang bagyala lang. Pang steak. Alikin. Marimlay. Alikin. That's it. Naperito na lang. Nakakain. Sese ako kaya pang mini. Yan yung bakal ko laundry.
Mangan na kayo. Man akong takos.
Ayan po, ayan pa yung pamangan ko ng karakal. Itang steak ko. Yan, sinalik pang burrito. Burrito nebon. Basta't makanyanin ka na mo lang nasi, alam puto. Pwede. Oh, ay nilinuto kong kangkonges. Kangkong ang puro chicharon. Manyaman na rin chicharon ngayon nga asalin ko. Piakaral kay bawang. Dito kayang kangkong, puro yan chicharon. Yan, milne yan. Metong na yung pamangan yan.